Down by 4th Street where the sunlight plays, children's laughter drifts through summer haze. Fresh paint shining on the old chain fence, dreams we built with love and common sense. We passed the hat, we worked the ground, neighbors came from miles around. Now the swings reach up to the clouds, this little park makes us proud. It's the heart of the town where the stories grow, from scraped up knees to the tales we know. Every smile, every laugh, it all comes back around. Wonder Park, yeah, the heart of the town. Picnic tables with the quilts laid down, potluck dishes from the folks in town. We set them strong, hammered nails with a working song. Now the fence holds colors bright, painted dreams in the soft twilight. It's the heart of the town where the stories grow, from scraped up knees to the tales we know. Every smile, every laugh, it all comes back around. Wonder Park, yeah, the heart of the town. Fireflies glow, the tent spins, and the young hearts know this place will hold them when they're grown. A piece of home they'll always own. It's the heart of the town where the stories grow, from scraped up knees to the tales we know. Every smile,